The bald eagle is a symbol of strength, freedom, and resilience, celebrated as the national bird of the United States. Found across North America, it thrives near lakes, rivers, and coasts where it hunts for fish, its primary diet. With a striking appearance of white feathers on its head and tail, contrasting with its dark brown body, the bald eagle is both majestic and intimidating. It boasts incredible eyesight, allowing it to spot prey from great distances. Known for building enormous nests, some can weigh up to a ton. Once endangered due to habitat loss and pesticide use, conservation efforts, including the banning of DDT, have helped its population recover. Today, the bald eagle is a shining example of successful wildlife conservation. The golden eagle is one of the most powerful and majestic birds of prey, renowned for its speed, strength, and sharp vision. Found across North America, Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa, it thrives in open landscapes such as mountains and grasslands. With its dark brown feathers and striking golden sheen on its nape, this eagle is as visually impressive as it is formidable. It preys on mammals, birds, and reptiles, often diving at speeds exceeding 150 miles. Golden eagles are known for their large territories and often mate for life, showcasing strong pair bonds. While they face threats from habitat loss and human activities, conservation efforts continue to protect these regal raptors and their ecosystems. The red-tailed hawk is one of the most widespread and recognizable birds of prey in North America. Known for its reddish-brown tail, this raptor is often seen soaring gracefully in the sky or perched on telephone poles. It thrives in diverse habitats, from forests and deserts to urban areas, showcasing its adaptability. With sharp talons and keen eyesight, the red-tailed hawk preys on small mammals, birds, and reptiles, playing a vital role in controlling pest populations. Its distinct, piercing call is frequently used in movies to represent all raptors. These hawks are monogamous, often maintaining lifelong bonds. Their ability to thrive alongside human development makes them a fascinating and vital part of North American ecosystems. The great horned owl is a powerful and iconic bird of prey, known for its distinctive ear-like tufts, piercing yellow eyes, and haunting call. Found across the Americas, it is incredibly adaptable, thriving in habitats ranging from forests and deserts to urban areas. This nocturnal hunter is an apex predator, preying on a diverse diet that includes rodents, birds, reptiles, and even skunks. Its silent flight, enabled by specially adapted feathers, allows it to ambush prey with remarkable stealth. Great horned owls are known for their fierce protective instincts, especially when guarding their nests. Revered in many cultures for their mysterious and regal presence, these owls play a critical role in maintaining balance within their ecosystems. The northern goshawk is a fierce and agile bird of prey, renowned for its speed and precision in hunting. Found across forests in the northern hemisphere, it is well adapted to navigating dense woodlands with remarkable agility. This medium-sized raptor boasts striking slate-gray plumage, a bold white eyebrow, and piercing red or orange eyes that give it an intense predatory gaze. The northern goshawk preys on a variety of animals, including birds, squirrels, and rabbits, often ambushing them with swift, powerful attacks. Known for its secretive nature, this bird is highly territorial, defending its nesting sites with ferocity. As a symbol of strength and determination, the northern goshawk plays an essential role in maintaining balance within forest ecosystems. The American kestrel, the smallest falcon in North America, is a vibrant and versatile bird of prey. Despite its petite size, it is a skilled hunter, preying on insects, small mammals, and birds. Recognized by its colorful plumage, the The male boasts blue-gray wings and a rust-colored tail, while the female displays a more uniform reddish-brown pattern. Known for its ability to hover in mid-air, the kestrel uses this technique to spot and dive for prey. Found in open habitats such as grasslands, farmlands, and urban areas, the American kestrel adapts well to diverse environments. These falcons are also cavity nesters, often using old woodpecker holes. Their charm and ecological importance make them a beloved species among birdwatchers and conservationists alike. The gyrfalcon, the largest falcon species in the world, is a symbol of power and elegance. Native to Arctic regions, it thrives in cold, harsh climates, hunting across tundras and coastlines. This majestic raptor is known for its variable plumage, ranging from pure white to dark gray, allowing it to blend seamlessly into snowy landscapes. A skilled and relentless hunter, the gyrfalcon preys on birds such as ptarmigans and ducks, showcasing incredible speed and stamina during aerial pursuits. Historically, it was highly prized by royalty for falconry, symbolizing prestige and strength. Despite its remote habitat, the gyrfalcon faces threats from climate change and habitat loss. Its commanding presence and vital role in Arctic ecosystems make it an unforgettable bird of prey. The secretary bird is a striking and unique bird of prey, known for its long legs, eagle-like body, and unmistakable crest of quill-like feathers. Native to the grasslands and savannas of sub-Saharan Africa, this terrestrial raptor is both elegant and formidable. Standing nearly 4 feet tall, it hunts primarily on foot, using powerful kicks to subdue snakes, rodents, and other small animals. Its long legs allow it to traverse open landscapes swiftly, while its sharp beak and talons ensure efficient feeding. The secretary bird's name is thought to derive from its crest, resembling quills, behind an old-fashioned secretary's ear. A symbol of grace and strength, it is celebrated in African culture and even features on South Africa's national coat of arms. The black kite is a graceful and adaptable bird of prey found across Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia. Recognized by its slender body, forked tail, and striking dark plumage, it is often seen gliding effortlessly on thermals in search of food. Unlike many raptors, the black kite is highly opportunistic, feeding on a variety of prey, including fish, rodents, and carrion, and even scavenging in urban areas. Its adaptability to diverse environments, from forests and grasslands to cities, has made it one of the most widespread raptors in the world. Known for its sociable behavior, black kites often form large flocks, especially during migration. Their impressive aerial acrobatics and vital role as scavengers make them fascinating and ecologically important birds. The common buzzard is a versatile and widespread bird of prey, thriving across Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa. Known for its medium size and broad wings, this raptor exhibits a wide variety of plumage, ranging from dark brown to almost white, making it visually striking. It soars gracefully in open skies, often emitting a distinctive cat-like call. The common buzzard is an opportunistic hunter, preying on small mammals, birds, and reptiles, and scavenging carrion when needed. Its adaptability allows it to inhabit diverse environments, including woodlands, grasslands, and even urban fringes. During migration, large groups, or kettles, can be seen soaring together. Revered for its resilience and ecological importance, the common buzzard symbolizes nature's balance and adaptability. The Eurasian eagle owl is one of the largest and most impressive owl species in the world, known for its striking orange eyes, feathered ear tufts, and powerful presence. Native to Europe, Asia, and parts of North Africa, This majestic bird thrives in diverse habitats, including forests, rocky cliffs, and open plains. It is a formidable nocturnal hunter, preying on mammals, birds, and even reptiles, using its sharp talons and strong beak. The owl's silent flight, enabled by specialized feathers, allows it to ambush prey with remarkable stealth. Known for its deep, resonant hoots, the Eurasian eagle owl is a symbol of wisdom and mystery. Its role as a top predator makes it essential for maintaining ecological balance in its environment. Cooper's hawk is a sleek and agile bird of prey, well known for its mastery of forest hunting. Found across North America, this medium-sized raptor is often seen darting through trees with remarkable speed and precision. Its sharp, hooked beak and long tail aid in maneuverability, while its piercing yellow or red eyes give it an intense predatory gaze. Cooper's hawk preys primarily on small birds and mammals, using surprise attacks to ambush its targets. Adaptable to urban and suburban environments, it often visits backyard feeders in search of prey. Though it was once threatened by pesticide use, conservation efforts have helped its populations recover. A symbol of adaptability and skill, Cooper's hawk is a fascinating and vital predator in its ecosystem. The white-tailed eagle, often called the king of the skies, is one of Europe's largest birds of prey. Recognized for its broad wings, pale head, and distinctive white tail. Found across Europe and parts of Asia, this majestic raptor thrives in coastal regions, lakes, and rivers. A skilled hunter and scavenger, it preys on fish, water birds, and small mammals, often snatching its meals in dramatic aerial displays. Its enormous wingspan, up to 8 feet, allows it to soar effortlessly over vast territories. White-tailed eagles were once endangered due to habitat loss and persecution, but conservation programs have successfully revived their populations. As a symbol of strength and resilience, these eagles play a vital role in maintaining the balance of aquatic ecosystems.